That was cool. Okay. Where the bunny is? Take them off of my cat now.
You're confusing her.
Put all of those necklaces over there on. The layers on the wall, the little fake flowers. Yes, you. No, you. You know, the you. Are you serious? Oh, hi and welcome to Treehouse Antics. Apparently she's been recording for a little while.
Wait, what's going on?
Wow.
Come here.
I think that you just met our good friend Anthony, the one who is soon going to be on Dressing Invasion once we did the preview already. Nothing.
Nothing?
You did not.
Not yet.
Huh? Actually, remember I filmed it and I put it up to the closing up thing, and then you can
Oh
actually
yeah,
see it.
we gotta do it again though, just to make sure so it has its own little video.
Yeah.
Oh, it's only because we love you. Now put those things on.
You're being a jerk.
You're a yerk. Now go get it.
You're making Jenny angry. Uh-oh.
Go. There he is. You see him? He's in the back, right there. Go ahead, right there. Stay where you are. What?
Well, since they're busy, let's play with the buttons. She's answering my call. No, Anthony. Get your hand off it. It's still there.
What?
It was still there. And my mouth moves all fast. It was like, right here. Oh my god, did you see that? Slow. Oh my god. It's like going slow and then it like speeds up. Oh, green. Stephanie! Oh my god, look. Oh, Jenny, it looks beautiful. Oh, we got to see up your nose. Come on. Come here. Look, it's going like. Look.
Yay.
Whoa. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
What are we supposed to do?
Supposed to be being
Ah.
entertaining.
Let's beat him up.
You.
Let's beat him
I
up.
just got a
Beat him up.
football.
Look at the screen. Look at the screen.
Let's not.
Look at the screen. It's not speeding up again.
Oh.
Oh, wait, look. Look. This is fun. It speeds up.
What are you doing?
Nothing. No. You're not spitting on me.
Your hair smells bad.
Thank you, I just got back from football.
Look at it.
Can I give up now?
No. Anthony. Tickle, Anthony.
I'm not
Oh my
ticklish.
gosh, look at the screen. Dude, Anthony, you're crushing it.
It's not my fault.
Ow.
I put my mom's here.
Whoa.
That was my phone, yeah.
No. Look at it. Look at it. Cool. Oh, it's not even.
wish that.
Oh, that's so cool. Anthony, come here.
Okay, don't we all wish that Anthony would stop being an ass and actually do Treehouse Antics? See? It's starting!
Attack him.
Robbery!
Oh my god, this is really interesting. It's still going. He's laughing.
You're gonna be crushed by that.
Ow.
Move your head.
Move your
Come on,
hand.
sit on your lap, man.
No.
Oh. Ah!
Great.
Ow! Ah!
I like the shirt.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Yay! Woo!
We are the champions.
Okay. No, no.
Take your shirt off.
Take your shirt off.
Shirt's staying on.
Look at the thing.
Alright, well,
Haha.
this has been a very fast, slowed down version of Treehouse Antics.
Yeah, the stream keeps staying up and slowing down, like it's doing right now.
Oh, I hope it does this when you guys get to sit. You are gonna have no idea what we're talking about. Oh well, I am sorry that you are having to deal with him. And we will see you next time on Treehouse Antics.